Our focus is to nurture our students in such a way that they'll be ready to face all the challenges of the 21st century with utmost confidence. My name is Shara Sukumaran and I'm the principal of International Delhi Public School, and this school is established in the year 2021. The chairman of the school is Mr. E. Jayachandra Reddy, and our chairman had a vision that he should have a school in Bellary which ensures 360-degree development of a student under one roof. We have a balanced system of having academics as well as co-curricular activities at the same time. We have each day 1 hour completely devoted hour for activities apart from our academic hours. Associated with Extramarks since the year 2025, and the main aim behind joining hands with Extramarks is that upgrading ourselves, our teaching strategies, as well as equipping all our classrooms. Extramarks has actually helped our teachers prepare very well. Now the teaching as well as the preparation has become effortless, because I can say that we have integrated NEP instructions and the guidelines in every classroom.
Hello everyone, I'm Margaret. I serve here in IDPS since from 5 years, and I will be dealing with the subjects called maths and computer science. As per the technology increases, so we can modify ourselves in a better way in both professionally as well as personally. I can surely say that every parent should feel privileged in order to have Extramarks, because the students are able to understand the concept in a better way so that they can remember the concept for a longer term.
Nowadays, the technology had been improved so lot. It helps in studies, visualizing the concepts and animations, which help us to understand the concepts very clearly, especially in most of the PCMB subjects.
My experience with faculty is very good, since faculty interaction is very friendly and they explain all the concepts very clearly.
Technology in education is not a silver bullet, but it is a silver bow which can lead to many different arrows.